Hey guys, today we'll try to understand a very interesting chart in Google Sheet, wherein we try to create this kind of charts in Google Slides, mostly the presentations. Yeah, this is called organizations chart. Now, organizational charts can also be called as hierarchy chart, a family tree, or a tree chart. Yes, because it look like an hierarchical structure where you understand who is reporting to whom or who was the ancestors in your family like. Yeah. Very interesting charts which you can use for presentation purposes. Let's quickly jump onto the chart. Suppose I have this as my employee list. Yes. I have the employees and I have the managers as well who are reporting to. So here you can see Mary as one of the manager. Yes. Now there are people reporting to Mary as well. Yes. You can see Bert as one of the employee, but there are people reporting to Bert as well. Yes. And Mary, Bert, and Alice, all three of them report to Carter, who is the highest in the hierarchy. So because he is not there in the employee. Now, if I want to show an hierarchy of this entire thing, you need to be plotting it very carefully where you need to have the employee and the managers in place. Yes. So if I select this data, I go to insert and I say chart. Yeah, it is not showing me any kind of chart. It is checking. If you check in the setup where the chart type is showing us column chart, but we do not have any values. That's why it is not plotting any column. Because here we do not want to show any value or any graph. Here you want to show the hierarchy. So that's why we choose the organizational chart. So here is the organizational chart which you can use. I'll click on that. And here is the entire hierarchy. Yes. So the above is the manager and then the employee process. So it's giving me a legend kind of thing how the tree will look like. Yes. And you can easily interpret it. Now, keeping it in table this way, I will never know who is reporting to whom. These are only 10 records. That's why I was very easily able to understand who was reporting to whom. But think about an organization which has around 100, 200, or 500 people. Making an organizational chart like this would be a very, very tedious task, which Google Sheet has made it very simple. So if you have the employee and the manager list, it will automatically create this organizational chart for you in place. Yeah. If you go to customize option here, you do not get any other options that we had in line chart. Only you'll get is the org. So how big is your organization? It's small, medium, large. Yeah. Node color, it's showing me blue. Selected node color, it will be in blue. So if I select this Tony, yeah, it will show me the color as yellow. I want to keep it something else. Suppose I want to make it black. Yeah. So if I do not select it, it will become, it will stay as blue. But if I try to select Tony, it will become black. Yes. So this is how it's very simple. It's just to create a family tree or an organization chart. I'll show you once again by taking some other data. I have, suppose you have the hierarchies in your organization. So here is an hierarchy tree, like the CEO is the top hierarchy. Then marketing, finance, ops, and HR are reporting to the CEO. And there are some team leaders which are reporting to the individual departments, and there are team members who are reporting. This is common hierarchy that we have in any organization. Let me select this data and click on the insert chart from the formatting bar. Again, it is not showing anything because again, we do not have anything as a value in this data. So it's showing as column chart by default, but it's not a column chart. Yeah. We again will select the hierarchy, organizational chart, and here, boom, it is. So it has automatically created a nice hierarchical structure for me to interpret how my organizations look like. Yes, in terms of who is reporting to whom, who is the member of whom. Yes, this looks good when you're seeing this reporting structure rather than looking at it in a table format, which is very tedious to find. Yeah. Hope you like this chart and you will use this in some of your presentations where you want to show your organization hierarchy or your team members on Google Sheet or on and use this particular structure on Google Slides for your presentations. Thank you so much.